In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Accelerator Titanium framework to create a mobile project on iOS using the OpenTalk module to do some live video streaming. So first I'm going to get started with what software you need, how to install it, and where to get it. Then walk you through creating an actual application. And then the three main points about using OpenTalk here are going to be how to connect to a session, then how do I publish a stream, or how do I get video going into a session, and then how do I subscribe to a stream, which is how do I get video out of a session. Before you begin, you're going to need a couple things on your computer already. The first is Xcode, which you can find in the Mac App Store. It's a free download, just go ahead and install it, but it will take a while because it is pretty big. Next, I also recommend getting an account at the iOS Dev Center from developer.apple.com so you can actually run these programs on your phone. Also, you're going to need to go to accelerator.com to download Titanium. You have to register. Once you download it, you just basically open the DMG, drag the application into your applications directory, open it up the first time, and let it install the SDK. And once you're done with that, you do want to go ahead and check out their quick start guide. They do have some details here about installing Xcode and getting the iOS SDK to work with Titanium Studio. Next, I'm going to show you how to get the OpenTalk Titanium module. Now you can find this at github.com/opentalk/OpenTalk Titanium module, or you can go get it from the Accelerator Marketplace. But I'm going to show you how to get it from here. So once you're here, you go to the download section, which is right here, and look for the latest version and download it. Once that's downloaded, you're going to want to put it in a specific directory. So that directory actually is inside your home directory, a folder called Library, which you can get to by pressing Command-Shift-G if it's not already visible. Then go to Application Support, find Titanium, and drag that zip file right into here. Next, you're going to want to open up Titanium Studio like I have already here. Inside the App Explorer, you're going to want to create your first project. I'm going to click Titanium Mobile Project, give it a name, Hello World, because this is our first project. Give it an app ID, which is just a reverse URL. Uncheck mobile web because we won't be using that, and uncheck these cloud settings so we won't be using that. Next, I'm going to pick a template. The single window application will do fine. And now we have the ti app.xml file open. So to actually add this module in, we're going to go over to the XML view, and we're going to replace this modules tag with the modules tag that describes the OpenTalk module. So make sure that the version number that you have here is the most up-to-date, and go ahead and put the identifier in like so.